Alright, so let's take a look at an example. And we're going to start off with a case where the problem asks for the probability that a random variable x is less than or equal to some value a. Based on an earlier exercise, suppose that the distribution of students' Twitter followers has a mean equal to 208 and a standard deviation equal to 60. What is the proportion of the distribution of Twitter followers have less than or equal to 350 followers? In other words, what is the probability that a randomly chosen student will have 350 or less followers? To answer this question, let's first identify the random variable. Let x be the random variable equal to the number of Twitter followers in this case. In the problem, it is given that the distribution of students' Twitter followers has a mean equal to 208 and a standard deviation equal to 60. And so if we're asked for the proportion of the distribution of Twitter followers that have less than or equal to 350 followers, then we're asked for the probability that x is less than or equal to 350. Based on the steps in calculating the probability, we're going to start off with converting x into a z-score, which is equal to 350 minus 208 over 60, which gives us 2.37. Once we've calculated the z-score, then the probability that x is less than or equal to 350 is equivalent to asking what is the probability that z is less than or equal to 2.37. We can then proceed with finding the probability using the standard normal table. Now, before finding the probability in a standard normal table, let's first understand the problem using the graphs or curves. In the problem, we are given that the students' Twitter followers follow a normal distribution with mean equal to 208 and a standard deviation equal to 60. And we're asked to find the probability that the number of Twitter followers is less than or equal to 350. And so we have to find the area to the left of the 350x value. The key to finding the probability is by transforming the normal curve into a standard normal curve, which translates the x value into a z-score value equivalent to 2.37. And so the probability that x is less than or equal to 350 is equivalent to finding the probability that z is less than or equal to 2.37. Alright, so let's find the probability that z is less than or equal to 2.37 using the standard normal table. Now remember, in a standard normal table, we're given the commutative probability, or the area under the curve, to the left of the z value. And so to find the corresponding probability to z equal to 2.37, let's first locate the value 2.3 under the z column and 0.07 in the top row. Together, these two values would lead to 0.9911 probability. And therefore, the probability that x is less than or equal to 350, which is equivalent to the probability that z is less than or equal to 2.37, is equal to 0.9911.